video, guys. Today we are back in the garage. We are going to be doing some maintenance work on the new tractor. You saw us get it delivered a couple videos ago. We've done a lot of stuff to it so far. We've got everything cleaned up. We've got a new shift boot on it. We've cleaned the air filter. We've made sure everything is in working condition. We fixed those flat tires. So on today's agenda, we are going to be changing the oil. Now, the oil I picked is going to be 15W40. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so you just saw the oil drain. It comes out super fast. One of the things you want to make sure you do have is the screen. Now I have a little tear in my screen, so we'll definitely be ordering a new screen for the next oil change. This was pretty clean oil, just a little sludge there, so we're going to get this super cleaned up. We're going to pull the screen off and make sure it's all cleaned out. Alrighty, so we have the oil filler cap, but it also acts as like a breather. So we're going to finish taking this off. I'll show it to you, and we're going to get this thing cleaned off. Alrighty guys, so we're showing about just over 20, probably 30 pounds of oil pressure, which is really good. Now it is cold, obviously, because we just changed it, so it should drop off. But 30 pounds is really good for one of these. So there you guys have it. Quick little do-it-yourself oil change in the garage. Obviously, it does make a big mess because that bolt is so big on the bottom. Everything's running good. Next thing we're going to do in the next video with the tractor is we're going to get this hydraulic fluid drained. We're going to flush it with diesel. We are going to clean out any sludge that's in the bottom. New lift arm, and by then it's time to get it back on the brush hog, take it out, get some awesome drone footage of taking care of the land. So make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.